Life in Pompeii was vibrant and bustling, characterized by a rich tapestry of social and economic activities. The city was home to a big population, including wealthy patricians, skilled craftsmen, merchants, and workers. Markets were central to daily life, where residents bought and sold goods ranging from fresh foods to luxurious textiles. Public spaces, such as forums, baths, and theaters, were hubs of social interaction and cultural exchange. Pompeii streets were lined with shops, taverns, and bakeries, each contributing to the lively urban atmosphere. Religion played a pivotal role in the daily lives of Pompeii's residents, permeating both public and private spheres. The city had temples dedicated to the gods, such as Jupiter, Venus, and Apollo, reflecting the polytheistic beliefs of its people. Household shrines, known as lararia, were common in homes where families offered prayers and sacrifice to domestic deities. Religious festivals and ceremonies were regular events, fostering community cohesion and spiritual fulfillment. The discovery of the Blue Room highlights the importance of religious practices and their reverence for sacred spaces in Pompeii. Today, we explore a recent and fascinating discovery in the ancient city of Pompeii. Archaeologists have uncovered the mysterious Blue Room, which is unlike any other discovery in the ruins. What secrets does this place hold? Let's find out. In the Insula 10 of Region 9 in Pompeii, archaeologists have uncovered an extraordinary room. The walls of this room are painted in a vivid sky blue hue, a color rarely seen in Pompeii ruins. This 8 square meter room, known as Room 32, stands out not only for its color, but also for its presumed purpose. It's believed to have been a sacrarium, a secret place for pagan rituals and preservation of devotional objects. The discovery of this room adds a new dimension to our understanding of Pompeii's religious practices. The walls of this remarkable room are adorned with frescoes in the Fourth style, a decorative approach that flourished from around 60 to 79 AD. This style is known for its intricate and narrative aesthetic, combining architectural elements with elaborate scenes. The sky blue backdrop is a rare finding, indicating the room's significance and the care taken in its decoration. Red-lined niches in the walls likely held statues and other sacred objects, adding to the room's mystical aura. The fresco's complexity and the choice of colors suggest that this room was of great importance to its inhabitants. The frescoes in the Blue Room depict female figures symbolizing the four seasons, agriculture, and shepherding. These figures are adorned with crowns of flowers and flowing garments, embodying a connection to nature and the divine. Some figures are depicted without clothes, which was uncommon and adding some mystery. The excavation also uncovered several artifacts within the room. Among the discoveries were 15 amphorae, 2 jugs, 2 lamps, and 3 decorative boxes embedded in the walls. These artifacts likely held devotional status, emphasizing the room's role in spiritual practices. The blue room decorations reflect themes prevalent in Roman literature and art, particularly the pastoral and agrarian ideals. This can be seen, for example, in the works of the Roman poet Virgil, which celebrate rural life and have a nostalgia for simpler times. The room's frescoes honor the gods of the fields and the simplicity of life in the countryside, contrasting with the very urban life seen in Pompeii. And this highlights the cultural values and beliefs of Pompeii's inhabitants during this period. And that, despite of they being part of a very metropolitan city, the people were still very connected to the life in the fields. On the other hand, the discovery of the Blue Room is very different of another recent find nearby. In the Villa Civita Juliana, archaeologists uncovered the utilitarian quarters of servants, highlighting the social difference of ancient Pompeii. These modest quarters, devoid of any decorative frescoes, contain only basic items like bed, work tools, a basket, robe, and wooden planks. The luxurious aquarium of the wealthy stands in stark contrast with the humble living conditions of the servants. If in one way the Romans were nostalgic about simpler times and hard work in the fields, showing great appreciation for it, they could at the same time ignore the hard life and work of the slaves that made life in the city for them possible, in a way making them almost invisible. The Minister of Culture of Italy, Gennaro San Giuliano, described Pompeii as a treasure chest that is still partially unexplored. Each discovery, like the mysterious Blue Room, adds to our understanding of the ancient city and its people. The site continues to be an immense archaeological laboratory, revealing new insights with each new excavation. And as excavations continue, who knows what other secrets Pompeii will reveal. The ongoing work of the archaeologists ensures that Pompeii remains a source of wonder and knowledge for the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more fascinating discoveries from the ancient world. Your support helps us to bring more historical insights and archaeological wonders to light. Until next time, stay curious. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. TB Gracias Pro Vigilabo.